On Samsung's new Galaxy S24 series, we have the most recent information. Not only is the zoom camera receiving an upgrade, but so is the main 200-megapixel camera, and there's also a super strong Galaxy AI function on the way. Before we get into all the exciting details, let's talk about the most important aspect of any top-tier smartphone series: pricing. Despite the new AI features and the exclusive use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for the S24 series, many expected a price increase, but Samsung has pleasantly surprised everyone by keeping the same prices as last year. So expect the Galaxy S24 to cost $799, the Galaxy S24 Plus to cost $999, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra to cost $1,199. Don't forget that this time around, Samsung has some even more enticing deals for pre-orders. Expect to receive a free Galaxy Watch or Buds, as well as some fantastic trade-in offers. If you're currently using the Galaxy S22 series and are wondering how Samsung is making all of this happen, it all boils down to one word and four numbers: Exynos 2400. In case you're not aware, Samsung is reintroducing the Exynos 2400 for the Galaxy S24 and 24 Plus, but in select markets only, because this chip is developed by Samsung on their own manufacturing process. It allows them to ease the load on Qualcomm while reserving the latter for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This clever technique allows Samsung to save money while maintaining the same prices as last year's models. What's more, all of the features, including the AI upgrades, will be accessible on the Galaxy S24 series, beginning at $799 for the Galaxy S24. You won't need to spend on the Ultra to experience these AI features. Shifting our attention to the main camera upgrade for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, even though it keeps the same 200-megapixel sensor as the S23 Ultra, major upgrades are in store, including improved night mode and low-light performance for both photographs and movies. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.